Here's how to check if your HDMI port supports 4K 120Hz on your TV. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your television. Afterwards, you will be redirected on the page where you will see there the settings or the general settings. Under the general settings, go ahead and navigate yourself to the TV and display options. Once you see there the TV and display options, go ahead and go to the general 4K TV details and go to help options, and you can see there what are the supporting 4K 120Hz of your TV. The other thing for you to be able to confirm if your HDMI port supports 4K is that when you see there a 4K 120Hz port on your behind the TV. So as you can see, there is a 4K 120Hz behind the TV. So that means that the port that you have is supporting it.